MVP puzzle. I have a mount and a tripod coming in later, which means that I will be able to mount my camera. No scratches, that's good. Kind of stiff to move, but that's fine. So, we're about to switch this lens right here, this position, in 3, 2, 1, and boom. This is technically the shot which you'll be getting with a 12mm lens. On the cheaper side, this is a manual focus, not autofocus, because I decided I wanted to save £100 and something. One thing I do like about this lens is that I can get quite close to it. And if I hold it out, that's just like an arm distance, so I can put my finger there. But yeah, do this. It's kind of like it's kind of cool.